Here's how to avoid stress and burnout during law school. One thing is to keep organized, to keep on top of your outlines, to take practice exams, and to take periodic breaks from your study, either to meditate, to lie down, close your eyes, and just focus on your breath for even 3 minutes will help calm your mind and body, or to go and do some simple yoga stretches will help you, or go take a yoga class if you have time. Because a lot of times you think you do not have time to do anything else but read those cases. But you'll find that if you do take periodic breaks, you'll come back refreshed, and something that may have taken you an hour and a half to understand will take you, I don't know, half an hour to understand, or just to take a short nap, even. I mean, sometimes if you're really burned out and tired, just setting a timer and taking a 10-minute little cat nap, you'll wake up more refreshed and ready to look at something, and it'll seem a lot clearer to you than it did earlier.